Hey guys, welcome back to Top 10 Dogs. You know the show. I'm going to talk about the 10 best dogs of the week. This week, top 10 dog sounds. At number 10, it's hard to put this one at number 10 because I love it so much. But it's just a great dog sound, you know? Number 9 is this dog right here. I mean, I'm pretty sure it's a dog. You hear that? It's this great dog sound. But I don't know. It almost sounds like a pig or a cow or maybe a tuba. It's hard to tell if this is a dog. It could be a cow. Number 8. See, it says dog siege. And a very dangerous dog here. An easy choice. Number 7, this one, but I don't think this one counts. I don't think dogs from space count. So next dog. Go to the next dog.
I just know something bad is going to happen.
And the next, number 5.
There's something you should know, so I'm gonna tell you so. Don't sweat it, forget it, enjoy the show. Working all day, now it's time to unwind. Kick back, relax, take a load off your mind.
I think it's pretty clear why I picked this dog. He's the best dog.
I'll be busting the moves and I'll be busting the rhymes. We'll be busting up laughing cause it's party time.
And that next dog, oh god, you know, his list won't be complete without the Snoop Dogg. Just listen to this awesome verse. Listen to this awesome rap verse he's gonna do for us. Oh yeah, here it comes. You know, Snoop Dogg, he never disappoints. This one's different. This is just a picture. The little dog goes bork, bork, bork. Now that's the markings of a true dog sound. It's a real piece of art. This
now host the giant flying lizards and two-legged cat men. And you're surprised by me? Yeah, I just talked, and I'm continuing to do so. You see, my name is Barbas, and I have
this one, oh god. You know, this was every bit of my effort not to put this one at number 1, you know. This, it might be my personal favorite dog. You know. I forgot to put this one in the video the first time I made it, so here you go, bonus dog. But there's just really no debating the very number 1 best dog sound out of all the dog sounds. You know, there's a lot of dogs in the world. There's a lot of sounds that come out of this. This is my favorite.